Beautiful friends, welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagmara, and on this channel, we talk about making a life more elegant. I share my tips on making your home more beautiful and making every moment feel more special. Today, I wanted to share with you my top 3 must-have items in the house that I love to decorate with or love to have around me. So I'm going to turn the camera around and walk you through. If you enjoy these types of videos, please make sure that you like and subscribe. So one of the must-have items that will come as no surprise to you are, of course, flowers. So I love making beautiful arrangements like this. These are good old flowers from Trader Joe's, so nothing expensive, but I just enjoy spending my time with flowers and creating something with them. I think that allows me to be a little bit more creative in my everyday life. So I really enjoy putting them together. These are some gorgeous pink roses. I have some garden roses in there, and of course a lot of greenery. I just find flowers create a special atmosphere. They just remind us that even on the most depressing day, there's still sunshine and hope that can come in. And so I also think about expensive or premium hotels, luxury hotels, and they always have fresh cut flower arrangements. So I think that flowers in general just give the space a little lift. And of course, the other item that I love having around are candles. Here I'm burning a TRUDON candle. This is a Giambattista special edition. And of course, in a shocking turn of events, it smells like roses. Here are some more flowers. These are some beautiful tulips. These are actually peony tulips. So I've discovered these types of tulips last year, and I really love how they have several layers of buds or several layers of leaves, and so they look very pretty when they open up. The other beautiful yellow flowers are freesias. I think yellow flowers, I don't know why that is, always remind me of spring, Easter time. So flowers are always a beautiful little detail. Another element that I will always love are coffee table books. And here are a few coffee table books that are like stacking. So I find coffee table books are pretty versatile. Not only do they protect the surfaces, if you want to put something on the surface, obviously protect it, especially if you have a sensitive surface like granite or marble top or wood, and you want to protect it from getting water stains from a vase, then coffee table books are quite fabulous at that, and they also look pretty elegant. The other thing that I like using coffee table books for is to display things. So yes, I do have a tray, as you can see here, where I put my candle and a little diffuser there, but I also like to group things together in the same color and put it on top of a coffee table book, just to make it a little bit visually organized, so it doesn't look like clutter, but looks more like an intentional grouping. And again, this is kind of displayed on the book that serves as a tray. So I have here all blue little details. The last item which I like is to have something quirky. So whether it's a vase that it's different and stands out in its style, or maybe a little sculptural details, I think that having unique pieces is also kind of quirky, interesting, and invites conversation. So those are some of my must-have items to use for decorating. Let me know in the comments section what are some items that you always have to have. Are those the things that I've mentioned, or are those others? Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.